Jingle bell.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas Day 4, and today I am going to do just a little get ready with me super fast because no one's got time for that. I'm going to work in about a couple. Okay, I'm just going to use my NARS concealer and I'm just going to put it on any blemishes I have. I have this one on my lip and it needs to go away. It looks so bad. And then I just do a couple of dots on my forehead because I do have redness there. And then right here. And then I saw this on TikTok. I have no idea if it works, but I saw where you like go in your inner corners and then you go up. And it's supposed to like lift your face. I have no idea if it works, but I'm gonna blend this in because it takes me a minute. But I'm gonna just use this is like Jaclyn Hill brush. I actually got it on sale at Ulta. It was like $3. It's the Morphe Time Jaclyn Hill, but it's like a little foundation brush. And it's really good at blending out concealer. Okay, after my face looks super flat, I'm gonna just set it very little. I noticed that if I really use powder at all, my face will go from dewy to dry. So I'm gonna just use a little bit. I really would love to get the Charlotte Tilbury, the all cream products, because even the bronzer and blush that are powder really dry me out. So if anybody has any good cream products down below that you would recommend to me, please let me know. I would love to check them out. But I'm just gonna bronze my face super quick. If only I could talk. I use the Becca Sunlit Bronzer and Bali Sands. That's what I use. So I always go way overboard with the bronzer and it looks bad. So I've been trying to tone it down. I think it's just the lighting in my apartment. It doesn't look like I put it on, and then when I walk outside, it's like bronzer galore on my face. So do that, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of blush. Oh, got wet, gross. And then I'm just using a color pop bronzer. I think it's in Hello There or something like that. It's pretty old, but blush and bronzer, if you use them sparingly, they last so long. So I look a little better. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and then I'll show y'all the rest. Okay, I did my eyebrows. They look awful. I was supposed to go get them waxed yesterday, but the girl that I go to, she had a family emergency, which I completely understand, but look at that. Not good, not good. So I do a little bit of eyeliner, or at least I try. I'm getting better at it, so that's the good news. But I just use my brow powder. I don't use this anymore, but I used to use it. It's the dark brown by Anastasia. And I just use an angled brush. And do I get closer? I don't think y'all want to see because it's not good, but I just flick it out. It looks terrible, but I'm gonna fix it, okay? I promise. But I just do that, and then right here, I'm gonna just put a little bit of the brown in my crease, and I'm gonna blend it out so I can blend the two out together. So then I'm gonna just take a brush and soften it out. I like really don't want it to be noticeable, but I like it because when I do put mascara on, it like makes it look like my lashes are way longer than they are, because it kind of looks like a extra long lash on the outside. So I just blend it in and kind of drag it into my crease. So yeah, I know it looks bad right now, but trust me once I do my mascara. So I'm gonna do my mascara and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, do we see? It doesn't look as bad as mascara. Okay, I wasn't lying to you. So I'm gonna do some lipstick. Why can't I find anything today? Nothing. Okay, 1 second. Y'all, I feel like everything is missing today. I don't know where my lipstick that I wanted to wear today went, but it's okay. I'm using the ColourPop Lippy Pencil and BFF. And I'm just doing a little bit on the outside. Then on the Cupid's bow. I don't really even know if it makes a difference. Oh, I wish that would go away. It's making me irritated. Then I'm using the MAC Lipstick and Twig. This one's a little bit darker, so that's why I like it. And I just tap it on. That look good? Probably not. Okay. We're gonna do my hair, so let me get settled for that. Okay, I'm just gonna straighten my hair. I'm not gonna show you too much of it because I feel like it is not too hard to straighten your hair. I never straighten it very far and few between, but I do like it because it stays. Like my curls will fall when I sleep and stuff, so I can't really do next day curls, but the straight hair stays, which is nice. I wanted to do it where you flip it under, so I think I'm gonna I'm gonna straighten it and then I'll show y'all how I do like the little flip under look that everyone does on TikTok. Okay, I'm back on my camera, way better quality, but I straightened my hair, but I told y'all I would show y'all how I do like the little flip unders. It's pretty easy. You just go like this. I didn't do this often because I know it's a little bit damaging. Oh, I did a freaking curl. What the heck? Hold on. What a fail. Am I really gonna have a curl in my freaking no. Well, that's a fail. Basically, what I do when I'm able to do it is I just go under, and it usually kind of gives that like blown out look. I don't know. My hair like doesn't ever get completely straight. It always has a little bit of wave to it. So like at the bottoms, it will never get completely straight. But yeah, that's what my hair looks like straight. It's super long. But I'm gonna pick out my outfit in just a little bit, so I'll get back to y'all and show y'all what I wear. Okay, bye. Sorry, my room is a mess because I woke up a little bit ago. But here's the outfit. I just have some black jeans on, and then I have this sweater that I showed yesterday. My necklace is from Amazon, and then my safety pin earrings are from Amazon. And I'm gonna just throw on some booties with this. Oh, look, you can see in the back mirror the jeans. But yeah, that's what I'm wearing today. Just simple because it's super cold. Thank y'all for watching. I thought I was going to dread Vlogmas, but I actually really love filming videos every day. It's like a break from school and finals and stuff, and it's just super fun to be able to film something new every day. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in tomorrow's video. Love y'all. Merry Vlogmas.